If you want to create your very own course, coaching program, workshop, or membership, then Concept to Course is for you. It's basically where you take your course from an idea into an actual course, coaching program, workshop, or membership. I'm Sarah Cordiner. I'm a qualified teacher trainer, and I help experts like you turn your knowledge into a workshop of some kind, a coaching program, a membership, or self-study online courses so that you can help more people and help your business bottom line at the same time. Concept to Course is a 30-day coaching program that you can join absolutely anytime that you like, and it will help take you through every single step for planning your program, doing the tech, doing the filming and editing, all the way to launching. Don't worry, even if you're as tech savvy as a potato, I've got you. So what you're going to be doing in this program is, if you are turning up here before or during March, you will get to join this live. Once a year, every single March, this single program is delivered via live workshops. There is one workshop every week for 4 weeks where the core principles of each of the 4 steps are delivered. They are recorded, they are instantaneously uploaded and available for on-demand replay. So it doesn't matter what time zone you're in, what country you're in, whether you can turn up live or not in that period. And also, it doesn't matter what time of year you join Concept to Course either, because you will get instantaneous access to those on-demand replays, the actual most up-to-date training you can possibly get, to then follow through in your own time with the how-to steps, screen demos, and how-to step-by-step recordings that are delivered in those workshops. Now, this program is divided up into 4 sections, where, as I said, 4 modules. One is taught a week over 4 weeks, so that by the end of the 30 days, yes, you will have planned and you will have created, filmed, edited, set up all of your tech, and even pressed publish on your course, workshop, or program or membership. I know. In week 1, we're going to go through all of the planning for profit process. We're going to talk about what kind of program is right for you. Is it going to be self-study? Is it going to be one-off workshops? Is it going to be a coach-led coaching program? Is it going to be a membership? Is it more retreats and boot camps? Which one of those works in your business model, and planning out your customer journey, perhaps even for all of them? We'll be talking about the packaging, we'll be talking about the pricing, and we'll be talking about customer journeys, so that you are creating the right products for your particular business, for your particular students, and at a price point that is going to be profitable, as well as open you up to every sector of the market. Amazing. In week 2, we're going to be talking about the actual content of your course. How do you come up with the content? How do you know what you're going to cover and what you're going to teach? How are you going to make sure that that's exactly what your students are going to want, and make your program irresistible and amazing for them? How do you create the slides? How do you create all the worksheets? How do you actually film and create the content? How do you do those screen share videos? What equipment do you need to do all of your filming so that they look as professional as possible, whilst doing that as preferably as close to the lowest budget possible as possible? We're going to take you through that whole process of actually creating the training and the resources in that second week. In the third week, module 3, we go into boom, tech. Now, don't panic. Even if you were as tech savvy as a potato, I've got you. I've got you. We're going to take you through the whole entire process of setting up your own system, your own portal where your courses, your coaching programs, your memberships are going to live. What? You're going to create your sales page and publish it. You are going to create a 3-step funnel and publish it. You're going to create an automated fulfillment sequence that follows up and checks in with your students and publish it. You're going to create an automated abandoned cart sequence and publish it, and so much more. You're going to also learn how to create your own app for your students to log into and access your training from their mobile devices. You're going to learn how to create your own communities so that you can create these beautiful social, paid, free, closed, or open communities to go alongside your teaching, your training, or your programs. And you are going to also learn how to set up AI bots to help sell your courses, and so much more. Yes, really, you are going to do it and going to launch it in the 30-day period of this program. For real. We take you through every single step. We screen share every single click. Follow with me. Now click this, now click that. I put a whole bunch of templates into your account as well. I'm giving you my high converting course program sales page that averages a 40% conversion rate. That is massive in the course industry. I'm giving you my automation sequence templates so that all you're going to have to do is follow me along to edit yours to make sure that they work. You're going to have a fully professional and as automated as possible tech setup behind the scenes that makes you look super duper profesh, and it's also going to make your life as easy as possible by it being in automation. Wow. Really? Yes. We have complete and utter self-confessed technophobes and tech newbies join this program, and they all get it done. Now, just to also give you a hand, for those of you that just don't want to learn it and don't want to do the tech bit, we do have a plus plan option for this program where instead of just doing it yourself and learning how to do it yourself, which you get taught how to do, you can actually get my team to do it all for you. So I do have a plus plan available just while we're talking about this tech part, where you get a one-on-one private 1 hour call with me personally, where we can use that time for you however you want. You can use that to go through your course plan, create your IP framework, create your customer journey, go through your packaging and pricing. You can go through your personalized marketing plan, whatever you want to use that hour for to suit you and your needs, you can use that hour for with me. Then the tech goes over to my tech experts who do the tech for a living, and they will set up your school for you, set up your app, your community. They will create the course holding area for you, create a sales page, create your funnel, create your automations, and turn on your AI bot so that it can sell for you. All you have to do is literally rock up to that 1 hour call with me, fill in a quick form for the team to have your details. You jump on an onboarding call with my tech experts for them to just connect up your domain so that your branding, your site is all under your domain. And then, my friends, you just wait for the magic to happen. Just to give you some idea, if you hand in all the stuff to us, that can happen in as little as 2 weeks. So it's not a long, drawn-out process either. We want to get you to launch and making money and helping students as quickly as you possibly can. So we've got module 1, plan for profit. Module 2, create the content, do all the filming. Module 3, do all the tech setup. Module 4 is then, well, how do you actually market and launch it in the first place? So we're going to take you through the most common types of launch processes. I'm going to take you through the must-do marketing steps. I'm going to take you through the process of creating a marketing email campaign. I'm also going to take you through your social media marketing campaign and how to create all of that content. I'm also going to then take you through a bunch of other different ideas, tips, and strategies that I've used without using paid ads to build up a significant audience for myself. So what we have here, guys, is the whole entire process over a 30-day period. Regardless of what time of year you've joined, you get access to these recordings after March on demand training or in March as a live round. Now you get 12 months access to this program if you've joined the standard plan, and lifetime access if you've joined the plus plan. So no matter what, you're always going to get to join a live round. It just may be that you get the recordings first and then you get to join the next live round. And this is because we do it live once a year to make sure that this is the most up-to-date program on course and membership creation out there. The tech changes continuously. The market and the consumer behaviors change continuously. I've been in this industry for 20 years and I've watched this whole entire journey change from when people used to prefer self-study courses to now preferring communities and memberships. You're going to learn all about that in Concept to Course, and it's going to change again. And also the technology we use, the process we use to film, record, and edit are continuously changing too. So I will be making sure that as part of this process, you will also be learning about the different AI options as well. Love it or hate it, it's here. And some of you who are not the face of your brand may prefer to actually create AI generated video content so that you don't have to get your face onto camera as well. I'm going to be giving you all these options and teaching you how, so that each of you in your different industries and your different circumstances can apply them to your unique situation. So I want to just reassure you, who am I to teach you this? My name's Sarah Cordiner. I am a qualified course creation coach. I am a degree qualified teacher trainer. I have a degree in adult education. I have a postgraduate degree in adult education and teacher training. I'm a qualified and experienced teacher trainer, and I've been helping people create courses in government, in universities, colleges, registered training organizations, large international multi-conglomerate corporates, and to everyday people like you who are learning how to turn their passions, their knowledge, their hobbies, their expertise into profitable courses, coaching programs, workshops, and memberships so that you can help share what you love with the world, impact other people, and also change your bottom line. So I have essentially taken 2 degrees and 20 years worth of experience, as well as a very successful multi-7-figure business that I have operating behind the scenes, and condensed it down into 4 workshops delivered over 4 weeks so that you can learn these skills that work as quickly as possible, get from concept, idea to course launch as quickly, effectively, and properly as possible so that you can start helping people and making money and getting there in the most fun, joyful, and easy way as we possibly can. If you're ready to join us, click above, below, see you in there. Let's get course creating. See you in Concept to Course.